Are you ever in need of depositing US dollars into your Dorm account but it's a weekend? Here's a solution to which you can deposit money into your Dorm account. Yes, we've all been told there's no way to deposit except by walking into your bank with your dollar currency for deposit. Luckily, I came across Sent by Flutterwave. This is a platform where I get to deposit Naira and convert it into US dollar. That's not just all. They get to deposit it into my Dorm account within few minutes. Okay, I know now some of you might be like, how about virtual card? Well, the downfall about virtual card is you don't have a physical card to withdraw at an ATM point in another country. I created my account, verified myself, so I input every required detail, especially the amount of US dollars I need, and it told me the equivalent in Naira. So next up, I used my ATM card, my Naira ATM card to make payments, and in a few minutes, I got notification about my money deposited into my bank account. Make sure you share to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this provided a solution to you. Bye.